My happy place is the forest.
You don't have sad days on an e-mountain bike. You go out, you feel happy. You skip the hard part and just have the fun part.
And my happy place is on a bike. That's quite easy.
Hey, we're Focus Bikes and we're in the beautiful Black Forest today in Sassbach-Walden and shredding our new EMTBs. New Champ Square 7 series, which comes with the Shimano engine, 720 watt-hour battery, quite good suspension and fork setup, I must say.
The 7 series coming with a Shimano EP8 engine instead of a Bosch. We have made an own dedicated battery for the bike, which is having more watt hours.
For us, the Shimano EP8 is a bit more natural. You can modulate the Shimano a bit better, so it's a bit more active, more dynamic, I would say. We choose to have 720 watt hours because you don't have to care about the range. You just go and go.
Comes with an updated geometry, updated suspension, the new fold with a horizontal shock orientation.
We made this bike for more dynamic, sportive riders because the geometry is a bit more modern, so you can ride really steep stuff. What makes me happy about riding an e-bike is like the barrier is quite low. So if I have no time, just a quick lunch break, I hop on my e-bike and I have like a shred on my local trails.
And that's so amazing with an e-mountain bike. You just skip the suffering and just have fun. And that's also what our bike is about, to give you a good time and to make you happy.
The bike is so much fun because we have the new fold on board and we have the big battery, so you can go full on all day, shredding hard.
The e-mountain bike helps you to find your happy place, or even is your happy place.
Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm you know when the click through to the send is about to be a so big fun. I'll be coming up hot for a minute.